Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City. Daily FX market news.
January 27, 10 o'clock America New York, UK FTSE 100 clings to support as German DAX battles resistance. FTSE and DAX have remained steady, driving prices into clear ranges of support and resistance. While prices look for direction, technical levels hold firm.
New York Times Business.
January 27, 9 o'clock America New York, your investment lost money last year. So why the big tax bill? When you invest and where matters for taxes. But a few rules of thumb can stave off some nasty surprises, our columnist says. Daily FX market news.
January 27, 8:55 America New York, USD breaking news. PCE price index declines adding further pressure on the DXY. U.S. data continues to remain resilient with the Fed meeting now firmly in focus. Slowest PCE increase in 14 months.
New York Times Business. January 27, 8:45 America New York, a closely watched measure of inflation slowed in December. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index climbed 5% from a year earlier, slower than the reading last month. Inflation is moderating, but is still more than twice the rate that the Federal Reserve aims for on average over time.
BBC News Business.
January 27, 8:31 America New York, plans for more banking hubs as branches close. In total, 38 of these shared branches have been announced so far, but only 4 have opened.
Global economy.
January 27, 8:15 America New York, semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Japanese makers weigh up cost of export controls. China is vital market for lower-tech chip machinery makers such as Nikon and Tokyo Electron. New York Times Business.
January 27, 8:11 America New York, Elon Musk meets with House Speaker Kevin McCarthy. Elon Musk, the billionaire owner of Twitter, met with House Speaker Kevin McCarthy, stoking speculation about what the two had discussed. Next stop, Capitol Hill.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. January 27, 8:03 America New York, sell-off in Adani stocks wipes out $47 billion in market value. 5 of the 7 listed Adani Group companies ended 16% to 20% lower, hit by a short seller's allegations of fraud involving the Indian conglomerate. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
January 27, 8 o'clock America New York, Bed Bath & Beyond used to be great. These two are why. Co-founders Warren Eisenberg, 92, and Leonard Feinstein, 85, explain their thrifty management, novel approach to merchandising and lucky timing as the chain nears bankruptcy.
Daily FX market news.
January 27, 7:31 America New York, GBP price outlook. Cable coils into narrow range ahead of Blockbuster Week. GBP USD has attempted to trade above the 1.2445 level on a number of occasions now without success and has consolidated into a narrow range. FOMC and BOE next week.
Marginal Revolution. January 27, 7:25 America New York, Indoor Air Quality and Learning. More on the surprisingly large effects of air pollution on cognition from Palacios, Eichholz, Koch and Duran. Governments devote a large share of public budgets to construct, repair, and modernize school facilities.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
January 27, 7:19 America New York, Chevron rides high oil prices to record $35.5 billion annual profit. The oil company's profit milestone is about 1/3 higher than its prior peak.
BBC News Business.
January 27, 7:04 America New York, job risk as Shell considers quitting energy market. The Coventry-based firm said tough market conditions had forced a review of the business.
Global economy.
January 27, 7:02 America New York, Jeremy Hunt prioritizes stability over UK tax cuts. Chancellor says lowering inflation is more important than immediate tax reductions. BBC News Business.
January 27, 6:45 America New York, warning to 100 funeral directors over price lists. Businesses could be named and shamed for flouting rules, but critics say that those rules need strengthening.
Digital finance.
January 27, 543 America New York, GBA hype in reopened Hong Kong hides tougher reality. Dig Fin suggests how to help banks and fintechs turn the Greater Bay Area slogan into real business. The post-GBA hype in reopened Hong Kong hides tougher reality appeared first on Digital Finance.
Marginal revolution.
January 27, 3:24 America New York. What should I ask Jess Wade? I will be doing a conversation with her, and here is her work. Wade, a research fellow at Imperial College London, centers her work on Raman spectroscopy, a technique often employed in chemistry to identify molecules, among other uses.
Marginal revolution.
January 27, 034 America New York. Are macroeconomic models true only locally? That is the theme of my latest Bloomberg column. Here is one excerpt. It is possible, contrary to the predictions of most economists, that the US will get through this disinflationary period and make the proverbial soft landing. This should prompt a more general reconsideration of macroeconomic forecasts.
Global economy.
January 27, 0 America New York. Investment regime shift brings turbulence but also offers returns. There will be greater divergence between companies and countries.